equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the charging pin on your SL-MSI CreatorPro M16. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. First, power off your device and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside with the microfiber cloth. A clean interior can help improve airflow and performance. Now, locate the charging pin on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the battery connector. Carefully disconnect the old charging pin by gently pulling it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With the old pin removed, take your new charging pin and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely connected. Next, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back onto the device and ensure it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is connected properly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Now, power on your SL-MSI CreatorPro M16 and check if the charging pin is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, changing the charging pin on your SL-MSI CreatorPro M16 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.